Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Kumar, MSc Mathematics and B.Ed. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math 6 IIT Academy. So in this YouTube channel, I am going to explain about IIT-JEE Advanced and Mains Mathematics. So since it is my first video, let us see about the syllabus and also blueprint of IIT. So in this we have first sets, relations and functions. The subtopics are sets and their representation, union, intersection and complement of sets and their algebraic properties. Next we have power set. Next, relation, types of relations, equivalence relations. Next, very important topic we have, that is functions. In this we are going to learn about 1, into and onto functions and the composition of functions. And next we have complex numbers and quadratic equations. In these subtopics are complex numbers as ordered pairs of reals and representation of complex numbers in the form of a plus ib and the representation in a plane and Argand diagram. And next we have algebra of complex numbers, modulus and argument or amplitude of a complex number. Next, square root of complex number, and one more very important thing is triangle inequality. And next we have quadratic equations in real and complex numbers systems and their solutions. Next, the last subtopic in this is the relation between roots and coefficients, nature of roots and the formation of quadratic equations with given roots. Next we have third chapter, that is matrices and determinants. Is one of the important and the easy chapter. Matrices, in this we will learn about algebra of matrices and types of matrices and matrices of order 2 and also 3. Next we have determinants and the properties of determinants and evaluation of determinants and the area of the triangles using determinants we will learn in this. And after that, adjoint and the evaluation of inverse of a square matrix using determinants and the elementary transformations. And next, a test of consistency and solution of simultaneous linear equations in 2 and 3 variables using determinants and matrices. Next we have permutations and combination, and in this we have only 3 subtopics, the fundamental principle of counting, and next we have permutations as an arrangement and combination as selection. Next, the meaning of P of n comma r and C of n comma r and simple applications based on permutations and combinations. Next is mathematical induction. Of course, is one of the method to solve the problems, and in this we will see the principle of mathematical induction and its simple applications. This is a small topic. And next, binomial theorem is one of the important topic. So in this we have a binomial theorem for a positive integral index. Next, a general term and middle term. Next, properties of binomial coefficients and simple applications. And next we have sequence and series, and this is also one of the important topic here. Arithmetic and geometric progressions in the insertion of arithmetic. And next we have geometric means between two given numbers and the relation between arithmetic mean and also geometric mean. And next, sum up to n terms of a special series Sn, Sn2 and Sn3. And next, arithmetic geometric progression we have. Next, limits, continuity and differentiability. In this we'll study about real valued functions and algebraic functions, polynomial functions and rational, trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential functions, and as well as inverse functions too. Next we have graphs of simple functions, limits, continuity and differentiability, differentiation of the sum, difference, product and the quotient of two functions. Next we have differentiation of trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, exponential, composite and implicit functions, and derivatives of order up to 2 in second derivative. And next, one of the very important theorems here, Rolle's and also Lagrange's mean value theorems and the applications of the derivatives. Next, the rate of change of quantities, and monotonicity means monotonic increasing and also decreasing functions, and maxima and minima functions of one variable, tangents and also normal. Next we have integral calculus, and in this subtopics are integral as an antiderivatives. Of course, this is a basic thing. And next, fundamental of integrals involving algebraic, trigonometric, exponential, and as well as logarithmic functions. Next, integration by substitution, by parts, and also partial fractions, and integration using trigonometric identities, and integral as limit of a sum. Next, evaluation of simple integrals and fundamental theorem of calculus, properties of definite integrals, evaluation of definite integrals, determining area of the region's boundary by simple curves in standard form. Next we have differential equations. In this, ordinary differential equations and their order and also degree, and next formation of differential equations and the solution of differential equations by the method of separation of variables, and the last subtopic is the solution of homogeneous and also linear equations, linear differential equations. And next, coordinate geometry, and this is one of the very important topic and more weightage thing. So here in this we'll study about a Cartesian system of rectangular coordinates in a plane, and distance formula, section formula, locus and its equations, and translation of axis and the slope of a line and parallel perpendicular lines, and intercept of a line of the coordinate axis. Next we have straight lines, various form of equations of a line and intersection of lines, and angle between two lines and condition for concurrence of three lines. Next we have distance of a point from a line, equations of integral and external bisectors of angles between two lines, and coordinates of the centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter of the triangle, and equation of the family of lines passing through the point of intersection of any two lines. And apart from that, we have circles, conical section in this coordinate geometry, and in that we have standard form of equations of circles, general form of an equation of a circle, and its radius and center, equations of a circle with the end points of the diameters are given, and points of intersection of a line and a circle with the center at the point origin, and also condition for a line to be tangent to a circle, and equation of the tangent. Next we have section of cones, equations of cones, sections, and parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola in standard form, and the condition for y is equal to mx plus c to be tangent and a point of tangency. Next we have 3D geometry, and in this, coordinates of a point in space, the distance between 2 points, and section formula, direction, ratios and direction cosines, and the angle between two intersecting lines. Next, skew lines, the shortest distance between them and its equation, and equations of a line and a plane in different forms, the intersection of a line and a plane, coplanar lines. And next we have vector algebra, and in this we have scalars and vectors, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of vectors, and next vectors, components in 2D and also 3D space, and scalar products and vector products and triple products. Next, 14th chapter, statistics and probability. So in school level only maximum people have an idea about the statistics and probability. So here in this we will study about measures of distribution, calculation of mean, mode, and median, variance, standard deviation, and mean deviation of ungrouped data and also grouped data. And in this probability of an event, some multiplication theorem, addition theorems, Bayes theorem is one of the important thing, Bayes theorem here, and Bernoulli's trials, and binomial distributions and probability distributions. And of course, one of the very important thing is trigonometry in mathematics. In this, identities of trigonometry and trigonometric equations, and next we will study about the functions of trigonometry and properties of inverse trigonometric functions, and problems on heights and also distances. Next, mathematical reasoning. Of course, everyone have this. Statements and logical operations are and implied by, implies, and only if and only if. And understanding of contradiction, tautology, contrapositive and converse, and many things are there in this. And of course, very easy thing is this one. So now we'll see the weightage here. As I already told you, coordinate geometry has some more weightage, 17%, and next you can see on the screen. So we have to concentrate more on coordinate geometry and different calculus and integral calculus. Okay, so the same thing you can see in pie chart, and it is also gives the same thing which we discussed earlier. And thank you for watching.